Do you want to make money easily? Do you want to earn up to $50 a day? Today we will share with you a secret to the laziest way to make money online. We will explore an easy-to-implement strategy that requires minimal time and effort, so stay tuned to the video. Now back to the video. For this way to actually be the laziest way to make money online, it must meet some criterias, such as not having to get on a camera and be an influencer. It has to allow you not to have to create a product, course, or anything like that. It must not have to spend a bunch of money in ADs just to make some back. It must not have to have a large amount of starting capital to just make some money, and it has to have a long half-life. You must be asking, what do I mean by that? It basically means you do the work once and it has the potential to pay you for years and years into the future. Now, I am sure that I have found the best lazy way to make money online. That meets all these criterias that I'm going to be sharing with you today. If you are watching this video, I would assume that you like to work smart and not hard. And believe me, I'm just like that. Then without further ado, let's start learning how to work smart with this money-making strategy. This strategy, in my opinion, is a high payout partner product paired with a high leverage traffic source. You might be confused and ask, what does that actually mean? Let me answer your question. It might sound complex, but it is actually the laziest way to make easy money online. Now let me show you how to actually do this. The first step is to find an overlap with your interest and market feasibility. This is very simple. What you have to do is to open up a Google document and write down everything you're interested in. I recommend you to write at least 20 things, and this could be hobbies, things you enjoy watching or reading for fun, just literally anything you enjoy doing. Then take this list of your 20 interests and compare it with what I'm about to show you right now. Feel free to pause the video so you can take your time to compare your list with these 5 profitable niches, which are finances, being healthy, people, technology, and travel. What you will do is see which things in your list fall in the category mentioned here. Once there is an overlap with your list and this list, choose them and number them, and delete all the other things that are not overlapped with the list. You might be confused, but bear with me, it will all make sense in the end. Now for the next step, you should partner with a finished high payout product. There are a lot of websites with marketplaces online that can give you access to essentially getting some of the money from the sales. Here are some of these websites. First is digitstore24.com, clickbank.com, and others that will be shown later in this video. They will be shown when I show you an actual practical example of doing this. Now, let me show you how to actually do this. Go to a website like digitstore24.com and go to their Marketplace tab, and choose the category that relates the most with the things you wrote down in the first step. What you want to do is to look for a product that is charging at least $500. This is because if you take 50% of this product, then you can make $250, and if you get 1 sale per day, then it's going to be more than $50 per day with this lazy method. You will simply have to sign in for the website. Then you are going to click Promote Now for the product you have chosen based on your niche of interest and the price of the product. You will get a link for the product you have chosen. I will show you what you should do with this link. This step will be following the lazy content traffic formula. In this step, we will be seeing what we will do with the magic link we receive to promote the product we have chosen. The first step for this lazy formula is formulating your ideas. All you have to simply do is to go to YouTube and search for the category that you wrote down from step number, which is your chosen niche, and find the top 3 channels within that category. Then go to that channel's most popular videos. You can simply do these steps by going to YouTube and finding the channel, click on the video tab, and choose the popular button. Then write down their 10 most popular videos from each of those 3 channels. This will give you a total of 30 ideas. Then this step will require a bit more work, but trust me, it is way better than any other online job that is out there. And that's due to you being able to make money from this for years and years into the future. And it is truly a lazy method, unlike the other methods where you have to keep doing all the work over and over again. This way has the potential to keep making money for years down the line. So you go to the videos you've written down, open them up, and then write them in your own words in a Google document. Now what I do to get through this fast is to watch these videos at 2 times the speed to get through them faster. And make sure your wording is unique and in your own words, and not copy-paste from the video. You can use tools such as Copyscape to ensure that your writing is unique and not copied. It will require a couple of cents, but it will help a lot with your writing. You can also use multiple videos as inspiration. Feel free to research about it and take all of these parts and write it on your own words and put into this script. You might ask, why should I use something I'm interested in? To answer that, you basically have a basic knowledge of the things you are interested in, and this will help you to put additional value to give people, and this will help you gain bigger potential to make money. What you will do now is open Google Slides, which is completely free and included with Google Drive, and make a slideshow of your script to make your slideshow aesthetically pleasing. It is recommended to add pictures and icons. This will make your slides more neat and interesting. You can use Flaticon, which is a website to get your icons from, and for pictures you can use pixabay.com. These websites you can gain a copyright-free icons and pictures form, then use a screen recorder to record your slideshow. To do this, I recommend a completely free screen recorder that is OBS. You can screen record the slide and at the same time talk through the screen recording. The talking will be actually reading through the script. You can hire people if you are lazy to record and use your voice. Or you can even use an AI voiceover system to do that for you. All you have to do now is to upload these videos you have created to YouTube, and you optimize them, and place the link of your chosen product in the description and in your pinned comment section. What I recommend you to do to actually start earning is to upload 3 videos per week, and it is not a lot if you are thinking so. You can record all the required videos in a day. By this, you will only work 1 day per week. Then just upload these videos by scheduling them through YouTube. After a year of doing this, you will have about 144 videos in your channel. And if each video is getting about 1,000 views per month, and also keep in mind that 90% of your views are coming from 10% of your videos, that will be a total of 144,000 views per month. And if just 0.004% of people buy the product through your link, then that would be 57 sales per month, meaning that, for example, if the program that you are promoting is about $500, then that would be $28,500 per month. And if you are getting half of the payment, then you will be gaining $14,250 per month. That would obviously be more than $50 per day. This will be it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed it and found it informative. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be updated with the latest and trendy online money-making videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.